Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, you might remember that a few weeks ago I did a redo of the grab bag giveaway for the 250 subscribers, and today I am announcing the winner. Drum roll! It is Gail McAfee. Congratulations, Gail, and we will get in touch with you shortly. Alright, now we're going to open up the December Stitch Fix box for 2021. I asked for all sweaters, and I did say that I would like to see purple, lilac, lavenderish colors. This box is unusually heavy though, so I'm wondering if there's any kind of like accessory in here or something. But let's get started. I have been complaining a lot lately about where fashion is going. I just feel like it's a little weird right now. And there's something I recently discovered. There is something called microtrends. It is related to fast fashion, where things are very trendy for like a very short period of time. And we have now to deal with 52 microtrends a year. So basically there's something that's going to be trendy for like a few weeks, and after that you can't wear it anymore, which I think is ridiculous, preposterous. And I don't know how you guys feel about that. Let me know in the comments below. I think that you have to stick with stuff that looks good on you and that makes you happy. Speaking of things that make me happy, I know that I never buy plaid, but for some reason this top I absolutely love, and I think it's because it has more of like a girly fit to it. But I generally don't wear plaid because I usually feel like I look like a lumberjack. All right, it looks like there's sweaters in here. Well, and there's some extra thing in here. I have no idea what that is. Definitely see the color scheme that I like. It's a total of 5 sweaters. Obviously, I just dropped one. And what is this? Is this just this is just the verbiage. It just feels so thick today. All right, so let's start with the thing that fell out. It's a sweater. It feels good. It feels nice. Ooh, okay. It's got the thumb holes. I absolutely love thumb holes because I am always cold. I live for thumb holes. All right, so this is called the Market and Spruce Sharon Cowl Neck Waffle Stitch Pullover. And I had asked for medium because I've noticed that a lot of the clothes were starting to feel like they were a little snug in certain regions. And I wanted to try out to see if medium would fit better. And I often buy things a size larger when they are thicker materials because I feel like they shrink. And if it shrinks on a small, it doesn't look right when you put it on. But a medium will at least shrink to a size that fits better. And I kind of like this. It feels really good. Of course, you know, I have to try everything on, and I want to make sure that it's not wool. So no, it is 60% cotton, which is, it's good because I do like natural fibers. I want to try to wear more natural fibers. I mean, we're not in control of it completely, but it's nice to see that there's some cotton in here. There's also a little bit of acrylic and polyester. So yeah, it looks pretty. I like the color, and we shall we'll try it on in a minute. All right, the next thing in here is this sweater. It's a little thin, but that's good because, you know, where I live, the weather can be a little weird. You know, we're in December, and one day it could be 75 and the next it could be 50. You know, there's some days where if it's a little warmer, there's still a breeze and you still want to stay warm. So a thinner sweater does the trick for that. It has like a greenish gray tone to it, which I don't mind. There's no thumb hole though. And it is from Pink Clover, the Nickole textured pullover. Oh, okay, it says olive. I don't mind. I have to try it on. So far I like the one I just showed you, the grayish with the cowl neck and thumb holes. That looked really cool, but we'll try this one on. All right, next. It is purple. Purple tie-dye. Now tie-dye I know is like not in style right now, but this is more of like something that you could lounge in at home. It is extremely soft. It has a hoodie attached to it, and it is from, again, Market and Spruce, Kallon brush knit hoodie. I like it. I like how soft it is. Of course I have to try it on, but it's very nice. Very nice indeed. All right, next item. Gray is good because it goes with a lot of different things. Now, the sleeve looks like it's trying to eat itself. Help me! Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's all right. It looks a little, I don't know. I have to try it on. It looks a little weird. I mean, not weird like, It's just not my style, I think. I think that the material looks a little flimsy. Like, I think that the sleeves might be in that weird spot where it hits right here. And, you know, see what I do with like shirts that hit right there, I fold them up. I don't think this is wool, because I always tell them, do not give me wool. Oh, it does have wool in it. 5% cashmere. I might not be able to wear it because I've had things that were cashmere in the past, and even 5% makes me itch like the dickens. But I will try. I'll try it on. Ooh, okay. This next one here, I like it because it's my color. It is called Honeydew Jazmine Sleep and Lounge Beach Bum Sweatshirt. Ooh, beach bum. Yes, that is me. It's pretty. It's a pretty color. It feels soft. The inside may be a little scratchy. All right, so now we're going to read the note. Hi, Dee Dee. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. I can't believe we're in the last month of 2021. Me neither. I saw your note, so I grabbed a variety of sweaters. We didn't have any with balloon sleeves though, which is like the style now, so why wouldn't you have that? The Market and Spruce Dolman style one has silk in it, so I think you'll love it. Yeah, but it has cashmere, and I don't do well with cashmere. The Market and Spruce cowl neck top, that's the one I really like, is the perfect blend of comfort and cozy. Perfect for staying warm on cold days. This piece looks great with leggings or jeans and a pair of sneakers. Enjoy trying everything on. I hope all of it gives you confidence. Please let me know what you're looking for in your next boxes. Be sure to check out the freestyle part of the StitchFix app. It's a great way to find things to add to your closet between fixes. Yours in style, Jenna. I have been looking and I'm not feeling very inspired right now, and I think it's because fashion's throwing up, not doing anything for me. Of course, we have the big P, you know, the pandemic, which is really impacting the way people view fashion, which is totally understandable. But some of us still want to get dressed up now and then. I'll be right back with the try-ons. This is the Market and Spruce cowl neck sweater. What I really like about this is that the sleeves have thumb holes in them, which will keep me nice and warm in the winter time, and you don't have to constantly put gloves on and off. Most of your hands are warm. It's kind of like having a pair of fingerless gloves. I find these to be very convenient during this time of year. I like it. I think it's cute. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's bad quality. It's like mediocre quality. I would say something like this would run in the ballpark around $50, and the real price is $78. Do I think it's worth $78? Not sure. I mean, I think, like I said, it's mediocre quality. It's not screaming, ooh, you gotta wear this. I'll see what's up next. See you in a sec. All right. This is the pink clover olive sweater. It's itching me, but it's not wool. It's 100% polyester. I don't feel like the quality's that great. I feel like, you know, this side is definitely softer than the inside. The inside just feels like it's pinching at me. Just really uncomfortable. Like, I wouldn't find this to be like that cozy sweater you want to wear at the end of a long day, you know? What would I pay for it? I would say it's probably $32. Well, it's probably more than that, but I wouldn't pay more than $30 something for this shirt. And the real price is $46. I feel like the last thing I wore was more in the $46 range as far as what I would pay for that, considering the craftsmanship and the wow factor. And this is giving me the same kind of non-wow factor, and it's a reasonable price, but I still think it's a little high for the quality that this is. I don't find this to be, it's like, I feel like you could buy this at Forever 21. No joke. You know, I mean, it's all right, but it's not screaming home. Next. This is the Market and Spruce hoodie. I think it looks pretty and it definitely feels soft. However, I don't feel like it's top-notch quality. I feel like it's okay, which I feel like this box so far has been okay. This is not like, I just don't know, guys. I mean, it's cute. And it has a hoodie, so like, you know, when you're cold or whatever, but it's not sparking joy. And I think, like, you know, I think the pattern's pretty, but I'm not feeling it. And it just feels very flimsy. Like the last one felt flimsy. This feels even more flimsier. This is like one of those Forever 21 again. It's like, it's not even Target grade, which I think Target has really good items at very good prices. I feel like Forever 21 has disposable clothing. Sorry if you like Forever 21, but really you buy stuff there, you wash it once and it's destroyed. And I feel like that's what would happen to this. It just don't feel like it's like structurally sound. So what would I pay for it? 20 bucks. That's how much I would pay for it. And the real price is $42. $42 is not a lot of money. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'll spend $42 on something. I'll spend more than that. But the value that I would feel that this would give me does not correlate with $42. So next. Okay guys, this is the Market and Spruce cable knit Dolman sweater. I'm not crazy about it. It also has some cashmere in it. I'm not really feeling any itching except for right here by my collarbone, but that usually changes eventually. It like trickles down and I end up getting all red. She did mention that she thought I would like this because it has silk in it, but that doesn't negate the fact that it's going to itch me because it has wool in it. And I know a lot of people think that wool and cashmere aren't the same thing, but my skin reacts to it the same way. But it's okay. I'm not like, I feel like they're giving me a lot of Market and Spruce today. I don't know why. Maybe they're trying to dump like last of the minute season stuff that they're trying to get rid of on other people. However, I don't know. I feel like this is not like the best sweater box I've gotten. I've gotten a sweater box before a few years ago, which I don't have a video of because this was way before I started YouTube. And I kept all the sweaters because they were amazing. But for some reason, this box is just not cool. What would I pay for it? You could buy this at Target for like $29.99. It is what it is. And the real price is $58. I can see somebody wanting to pay $58 for this because it has cashmere and silk in it. But like I said, like, I don't know, this like, what's going on right now with fashion, and this is a weird box. I would rather spend more money on like one good item than spend the same amount of money on 5 items that are mediocre and then I'm probably not going to end up wearing, because I think that's wasting money. Anyway, I'll be right back with the last piece. Alright guys, this is the Honeydew sweatshirt. I couldn't figure out why I like this so much, but it turns out I already have something similar. Now, of course, this sleeve is a little different here, but I mean, I like it. It feels fine. It is, you know, lightweight. This one is definitely made well. Like, this is from Free People, and it has lasted for years. I bought this like 2.5 years ago, and it's still in great shape. But yeah. Should I buy another one just like it? I'm not sure. It is a little different where it doesn't have like that one shoulder thing, and it's not as heavy. That one's a little heavier. This one's a little lighter. What do I pay for this? I think I would pay about $30 for this top. And the real price is $49. I don't know. I think that's just too much the same thing. And I think if I wore this and then I would wear this, it would be like the same thing, except this one is more interesting. Oh wait, it's backwards. I think this one's more interesting, and I like things to be interesting. That's for sure. So, I don't know. I'm not sure about this box, guys. I'll be right back with final thoughts. All right, final thoughts. As per usual, I'm gonna go from my least favorite to my most favorite. So, my least favorite of all these things was this top. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. Like, I felt very lukewarm about this box. I don't know, maybe I'm expecting a miracle, but I just did not like the way this fit on me. It just seemed, it was okay. All right, so the next thing was this top. It itched. I think the color is good. I think the style is okay, but it just didn't feel like it was really soft against my skin. I just kept feeling kind of scratchy. So I'm gonna have to say adios to this one. Plus I felt like it was like, I don't know, not the best quality. It's not horrible, but it's not like the best quality. All right, so this top here, I like the colors. I think it's really pretty. The style is just fine, you know. I feel like it was something that you can find at Forever 21, and it's okay. It just doesn't feel the same. Like the last time I got a sweater from StitchFix, it was very nice. And I feel like these are just mediocre. I don't know if it's supply chain drama or what, but it's just, yeah. This one was okay. I just didn't feel like it was worthy of the price that it was, even though it has the thumb holes. I just don't think it's like, it doesn't have that wow factor that I'm looking for something in that price range. You know, if I'm told something is $70 something, I kind of want to be surprised that it was that cheap for what it is. But this, I feel like, is a little bit more expensive for what it is. Do you guys do that too when you go shopping? You like have like a price range in mind or a price range for certain items in mind? That's how I kind of like look at these things too. Like I try it on and I say to myself, well, this quality feels like it equates to this price. My favorite thing in the box was this top. I don't know if I'm gonna get this. There's no point in buying two of the same thing, especially, you know, when we're not really going places. Like if I was working out a lot and like going to a gym, I would probably buy it, but I like to hide out in my house. So that being said, thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up, and I will see you next time. Bye!